Hey everyone, I'm here today to show you Cody by Amore in the color Auburn Sugar. So Cody was provided to me by Wig Studio One. They shared Cody with me so that I could share Cody with you. So thank you so much, Wig Studio One. I love my collaborations with you guys, and this is just so fun for me to be able to try new styles and bring them to our wig sisters. All right, guys, Cody is a fan favorite. Cody has been around for a very long time, and I can kind of see why. Cody is quite adorable. I'm going to show you Cody from all sides, and then I'm going to talk about her. I'm going to show you the cap. I'm going to show you this color outside. Let's go. She's adorable, you guys. I think she's so cute. Okay, so Cody is a short layered bob, angled bob, as you can see from the back here. The angle isn't too extreme. I've seen much more extreme angles, but it's definitely angled, and you've got this piece of hair right here is what is a lot longer than back here. But they do such a good job with the layers on this that it's not a heavy piece of hair. There are other brands I've seen angled bobs where the whole front is angled and it can feel really, really heavy in the front. That's not the case with Cody at all. Just beautifully done. And they do such a good job. They've got like all kinds of really great layers. So they've got a shorter layer, a longer layer. This is the front. From my hairline to the tip of my nose is 4.5 inches. So the fringe isn't quite 4.5 inches, but it's too long for full bangs. I really don't think that anybody could wear full bangs with this one without taking a little bit of a trim to her, just a tiny bit. It would be so easy to cut a full fringe into Cody. Really, almost, I mean, I think I could even do that because they've started with such a great template. Something I really love about Cody is how lightweight she is. She has no permatease and no poof. And so you've just got this sleek, close to the head look that is so comfortable and lightweight. For me, I tend to shy away from looks like this because I'm a bigger girl. I'm 5'9". I'm well overweight. I'm probably, 50, 60 pounds overweight if we're being honest. I have round face, and so sometimes I feel that really flat, sleek styles makes my face look extra large. But with Cody, I think she's adorable, even looks good on me. And I think part of it has to do with this. And so I have hair coming down below my chin versus stopping above my chin, which can really enhance the things about my face I don't love. But I also think it's the strategic placement of these layers. They just did such a fantastic job with this piece. So Cody does not have a lace front, but she has a double monofilament top, and I'm going to show that to you. So you don't have a lace front here to pull her off your forehead. But the way that they've cut the bangs, you don't need a lace front at all on this one. Even if you're not going to cut a full fringe in, you can wear this one swept to the side. It's great. It doesn't hang in she doesn't hang in my face. The density is so lightweight that she's not hanging in my face. She's not bothering me. I mean, there's just so much to love about this piece. The fibers feel absolutely incredible. To me, they feel like human hair. They're very, very realistic and natural feeling. The density is lightweight, so it seems really natural. There is no poof to this wig at all. There's no permatease, no poof. I feel like all I'm doing is raving, but I've got nothing at all negative to say about this piece whatsoever. It's just great. And I think for my wig sisters, if you're petite, you're gonna love this. If you are new to wigs and you get overwhelmed by hair, you're gonna love this. I mean, just so many women are gonna love this. I can see why Cody has been around forever. I mean, seriously. So double monofilament top. I can't wait to show this to you. But what that does is it gives it a really realistic scalp appearance. And because it's a top, the whole top is monofilament, like all of this, I can part Cody anywhere. So, you know, a lot of the wigs nowadays, they come, if they have a monofilament part, they come with a left-hand part, which is how I part my hair. So it's a happy thing for me, but for a lot of women, their natural part line is on the right side. And you can't really find, unless you get a monofilament top. And so for something like this, you can change that part line. You can part in the middle. You can do a messy part. I mean, she's just so versatile. Let's take a look at this cap. So here is this double monofilament top, very soft. As you can see, it's a double layer, which is what gives it that realistic appearance of scalp on the top. So when you part it wherever you want to, it's really awesome. She doesn't have well, she has like a baby extended nape, barely an extended nape. Pull bra strap adjusters, hard to see because the cap's a dark color. And then she does have not soft ear tabs. They do have bendable stays in them. And then she's just wefted throughout except for where that double monofilament is. Amore brand is known, or I think it's pronounced Amore actually. I always say Amore, but I think it's Amore. It's pretty, that's their sort of signature, is the double monofilament. Sometimes they use close wefting. This one doesn't have closed wefting. It does have open wefting. So if you've got any Amore wigs, just know that sometimes they'll have the closed wefting. The biggest difference between open and closed wefting, besides the ventilation, which could be a little cooler with it when it's open, is that the hair fibers won't push through the wefting. And that, for some of us, is a bonus. It can be kind of a pain in the butt when the fibers push through that wefting, but the caps on Amore run small as well. So I do want to point that out to everyone. The caps do run a little small. This wig fits me like a glove. I mean, it could not be any smaller. It would be way too tight. I have had, let's see, I had Cali by Amore, and Cali was pretty tight on me. I ended up selling Cali because I couldn't wear her comfortably. I can actually wear Cody comfortably. This couldn't be any smaller, but she fits me like she was made for my head. So, you know, if you are, so I have a 22-inch circumference, that's average. She's all the way let out. You can cut the adjusters. On these kind of adjusters, the bra strap adjusters, you can cut them and it will release a little bit of that tension. And so you can gain just a little bit of extra room in a cap that's tight on you with that kind of adjuster. My measurements are in the description of all my videos. I know Wig Studio 1 doesn't put my measurements in the description, so just go to my channel, Denise Sheets, and look at any one of my videos and you will find my measurements just to double check that she will fit you. If you're much bigger than me over here, well, anywhere, honestly, she might not fit you, so just look at that. She really is more of an average petite. And I believe that's because the Amore line is more of the medical line of wigs. They're really made for women with total hair loss. That doesn't mean that those of us who don't have total hair loss can't wear them. It just means that they're cut a little smaller because if you don't have any hair to fit under a wig, the size of the wig can be a little smaller. So that's why they do that. Auburn Sugar. I haven't even talked about the color and we're already 9 minutes in. Auburn Sugar is spectacular. I had Jackson by Noriko and Auburn Sugar, and that Jackson was too tight for me. Noriko's another brand where the wigs can vary. I've had two Jacksons. One fits me great. That Jackson was too tight. I loved that color. I am so thrilled to have this color again. This is gorgeous. Auburn Sugar. It's spectacular. It's like an auburn with highlights, and it's just great for brunettes, great for people who like warm colors. I'm going to get outside and show you this color outside, but she's just got this like spectacularly beautiful golden kind of frost look in the highlight. And then it's just a really incredibly warm auburn brunette. So pretty. All right, you guys, I'm going to get outside. Bottom line is, Cody's beautiful. She's stunning. Cody's going to be a workhorse wig. If you get Cody, you will be able to wear her as your everyday driver for months and months. I really believe that. I think she's going to last forever. The fibers are amazing. The length is perfect. If, on the other hand, you need lift in a wig, you need volume, you need lift, Cody doesn't have any of that. But I'll tell you guys, I do typically need some of that lift, and I love Cody. I think she looks great. I'm liking her on me. I really am, and I'm really surprised. I didn't think I was going to, just simply because of how flat she is. She's beautiful. All right, stick around for the outside look. This is out of the box. I didn't do anything to her. I think I filmed the out of the box. I always do, but I'm not sure if I did on this one now that I think of it. If I have the out of the box, I'll tack it on, but I did nothing to her. Nothing at all. This is her out of the box. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Wig Studio One, for sending me this beautiful, beautiful head of hair. Watch out, or stick around for the outside look, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey everyone, here is Amore Auburn Sugar on Cody outside. I'm thrilled to show you guys this beautiful color. Auburn Sugar is stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's just gorgeous. I love this color so much. I would love to have tons and tons more wigs in this color. Okay, I'll get into the sunlight for you guys a little bit, even though that does kind of make it hard to see with the glare, but so beautiful. You can hear the leaves crunching under my feet. I'm standing on rocks right next to my garage. Trying to find shade is a challenge at this time of year. All right, you guys, I hope this was helpful. Auburn Sugar is a beautiful, beautiful, warm, dynamic auburn. Look at these highlights. So pretty. And Cody, I'm thrilled with Cody. She's stunning. Thanks for watching.